Hi, and welcome to Lantmännen Unibake, Denmark. For many years, we have looked into optimization in our production area. The same period of time, we have also looked into optimization, for instance, with an AGV. One of the reasons that we chose an AGV from Bieler is that we have seen many solutions during the last couple of years, and I would say that when I saw this solution first time, I saw a much more simple setup than I've seen in the past. So easy to install and easy to get up running. And I actually think the layout of for the operators is also quite simple. So that's one of the reasons. And also, yeah, we don't have much to lose here. We have made a trial period, so if it doesn't work after the 3 months, we can just ship it back, and that's one of the big advantages. So no big installation costs, we are up running very fast.